Hey there DIY coders, welcome to HTML Quickie, where we try to help you write HTML like it was writing English. And before we get started, there will be a link down in the description below for you to check out. If you're a beginner at HTML or you have no clue what it is, I recommend that you check out that video link to get started with HTML. Otherwise, we'll go ahead with this video. Before we can get started, let's have your text editor out, your web browser out, and have both of those applications open to the file we'll be working on. And one more thing, have all this highlighted code copied onto your text editor. If you need to pause the video, go ahead and do so. Otherwise, we'll go ahead and we'll start learning the tag we'll be learning, which is Superscript, or SUP for short. All right, and then we'll just write this is Superscript text, and there we go, we'll save. All right, so we found some text on the browser. Now, if your browser doesn't refresh automatically like mine's, have your browser refreshed by clicking on the refresh button, like I have one here. And you can also use your keyboard shortcut to refresh the browser. So again, we see the text on the browser. So let's bring out this p tag here. And let's compare the same text in the different tag here. We save, and you'll notice that this text here is smaller than this text. All right, so other than it being smaller, is there anything else it does? Give me a moment and I will demonstrate what else it does. Okay, just get rid of this, and then we'll get rid of like that. Save. All right, so what you'll see here is that this text not only is small, but the text is also off alignment. So you'll notice that this text will be up above the larger text instead of in alignment with the text we have here. So you might be wondering what this might be used for. They are used for a few things. To name a few, they are mathematical exponents, abbreviating words of foreign languages, and ordinal numbers like first, second, or third. So just to give you a quick visual reference, I will do the ordinal numbers. So we have first. All right. We'll save. So as more of a quick example, I will copy this. All right, and then we'll make a couple more, right? So first, second, third, second, this, third. There we go, we'll save. And there you go, now we have our ordinal numbers presented on the browser. And that's it for this video. If this was super helpful, leave me a thumbs up. If it was super unhelpful, leave me a thumbs down. Don't forget to comment down in the comment section below. And if you feel that I've earned it, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell too to see all of my upcoming videos. That's all for this video. See you guys next time.